The second wave is getting worse. Tonight, markings and warnings of a major spike in New York State as we see the highest number of cases in New Jersey since the pandemic began. All this just 2 days from Thanksgiving as millions of Americans ignore advice from the experts and travel to see family. Good evening, I'm Maurice Dubois. Christine is off tonight. The skies are about as busy as last year, but passenger traffic is down nearly 60%, but still more than 4 million people have passed through TSA checkpoints since Friday. CBS 2's Nick Caloway is live in Weehawken with the growing concern over surging cases in the tri-state. Nick.
Maurice, the numbers are bad and only getting worse, and because of that, the demand for testing is higher than it's ever been. We actually went to a restaurant tonight that's testing everybody who walks in the door. Reservation? Check. Glass of bubbly? Why not? Swab up the nose? City Winery has that too. The popular meatpacking district venue launched a pilot program 2 nights a week requiring customers to prepay for a rapid COVID test before being seated. The $50 test comes with a drink while you wait for results.
I think it's going to be the way of the future.
The long line outside indicates many customers are willing to shell out cash for some peace of mind.
It's a big concern for people to eat indoors, so it definitely helps if everybody's tested and negative.
Everybody there is okay, then you feel better. Nothing's 100%, but you feel better.
One young customer said he was just here for the COVID test ahead of Thanksgiving because the lines are shorter.
My mom told me it took like 2 hours to take a test, but here it takes like 15 minutes, so we're like, oh, I'm coming here, sign me up.
Health officials are hoping people who insist on traveling this week will get tested before and after the holiday. On Staten Island, a free testing site now sits in the parking lot of a closed movie theater. This as the southern half of the island has been designated an orange zone with new restrictions on the way.
I think that some people don't care. That's the problem.
An emergency field hospital is now open on the grounds of the South Beach Psychiatric Center after hospitals reported a dire need for available beds. In New Jersey, cases and hospitalizations continue to soar. On November 1st, there were 1,110 people hospitalized with the virus. Now there are more than 2,700, with the holidays still ahead of us.
But we're mostly pleading with people to do the right thing behind closed doors. Celebrate with just your immediate family, and please don't do it with grandma and grandpa.
And new tonight, sources with the CDC say the agency could soon be sending out new guidance that would lower the quarantine time from 14 days to 7 to 10 days, although that source did add that 14 days is safer. Reporting live in Weehawken, New Jersey, Nick Caloway, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Nick, thank you.